Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Oz from Oz Mechanics, and today we're going to be talking about alternators. So I got this old Nissan car. I don't know what it is, but we are going to be working on the alternator. Basically, on this one, my customer stated that she saw the battery light, and when she would turn on all these lights and stuff, everything would start dimming down. So she was saying that it was going to be the alternator, but first she bought a new battery. At some points she would go somewhere and the car wouldn't start up again, and she just really didn't know what it was anymore. So she took it to some AutoZone. They said everything was okay. Then she took it to this other guy, and he did a test and realized that it was showing good voltage. So I rechecked out the vehicle, and as you can tell, she just got a brand new battery from AutoZone, and I'm going to show you how to test out this system and how to put a load into it and how to check out the voltage. These alternators, they have a voltage regulator, so it regulates the voltage output. So normally when we have this vehicle at 14 volts customary voltage, and we turn on all these other accessories, it should stay at around 14 volts. And I'm going to show you what I found on this one, so it's going to be a little case study too. Alright, and I can tell you right off the bat, I don't like this. That this is a remanufactured battery. I don't know if you see that sticker right there, so that gives me a clear indication we might have a bad alternator, because sometimes they don't even build these pretty good. So here it goes. Standstill voltage 12.49. That sounds pretty good. Sorry for the glare. Just gonna turn on the vehicle here. So I'm pretty sure the Shade Tree mechanic, when he checked it out, he saw 14 volts. He said that this was a good alternator, but you have to go a little bit more to that. So as you can see, we got 14.21 volts. That looks pretty good. A lot of people would just say, okay, it's a good alternator. You probably have another issue, but that's why you got to do a load test. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put a load. We're going to put a load on this vehicle. We're going to turn on all the accessories, high beams. We're going to turn the windshield wipers, the defroster, and all that. And hopefully the voltage can stay up. If it goes down, starts going down, that's when we know we have a bad alternator, well, voltage regulator. So here we go. Sorry for the glare. So we're going to turn on the lights, high beam, AC, windshield wipers, and the defroster. So we have everything under load, and the good alternator would stay at 14 volts. Look at that. And it's going to go under 11 volts. That is a bad alternator. It starts going lower and lower and lower. As soon as she starts driving, you're gonna have a weak, so you're not getting the right voltage to the battery. It's gonna kill that battery. Sorry for the glare again, but there you go. So if she, so probably the battery was bad because it wasn't getting the adequate voltage to it. And you know, if it kind of sucks because she just bought a brand new battery and she kept on driving it like that, it would really strain that new battery, and then she had to get another one. So there you go. If you do have this issue as well, that you're not sure if it's the alternator, you can do a little quick test. You can just get yourself a multimeter. It doesn't have to be a big expensive one like my Varus that I have, and you can actually check that out. Pretty quick test. Go buy yourself a little multimeter, do a little basically put some draw into the alternator and see if it's still standing. If you do like these videos, please subscribe, thumbs up, and share and like. If you don't and you want to put a thumbs down, please let me know. I've been noticing there's only in my videos there's like all these likes and then one thumbs down. Let me know. I'm making these videos to help out others over there. You know, if it helps out one person, I'm happy as can be. Hey, I love all these comments, everyone that's liking these videos, and the people that help out. And big ups to Scanner Danner, Eric the car guy, Eric from South Main Auto. Man, y'all badass. And Matt, can't forget about him. He is cool too, from Schrodinger's Box. So y'all take care, man, and hopefully y'all have a good day. Bye.